Welcome to video lecture series on electronic devices and circuits. I am Kanaka Durga from St. Peter's Engineering College, working as an associate professor in ECE department. In the previous lectures, we already discussed with respect to the clippers, what is meant by a clipper, removing of some part of a signal will be called as a clipper, and we have discussed the classification of clippers like series clipper, parallel clipper. In the series, once again it has been classified like biased, unbiased, and in parallel once again it has been classified with respect to the cases of biased and unbiased. Biased is nothing but when we are applying any external reference voltage, then it will be called as a biased. If you are not applying any reference voltage, it will be called as unbiased. If it clips the positive portion such a way that we have did the connection in order to clip the positive portion, then it will be called as a positive clipper. If it going to cut the negative portion of a signal, it will be called as a negative clippers. In this case, in this lecture, we are going to mainly concentrate how to make the parallel collection of the clipper circuits. We will concentrate in this talk mainly why it will be called as a parallel circuits. In the parallel is nothing but the diode. The parallel of clippers is nothing but the diode is going to be connected in parallel with the load resistance and with respect to measurement of the output voltage. Those type of circuits will be called as a parallel clippers. Simple, or else remember that simple logic, the diode has been connected with respect to the parallel, with respect to the difference of the voltage will be called in this output voltage going to be in parallel. The case with respect to the load resistance of RL, then it will be called as a parallel clippers. In the parallel clippers also we can apply or we can use the reference voltage, or we no need to use the reference voltage. In this case I am not using the reference voltage, that's why the case comes under the unbiased case. If in this case I am using the reference voltage, that's why it comes under the case of biased cases. If it clips the positive one, it will be called as a positive clipper. If it clips the negative one, it will be called as a negative clipper. So we will discuss on this. First one goes for parallel unbiased clippers. This is a circuit for the positive clipping purpose. So we having a resistor of R and the diode connected such a way that the positive this side and negative goes for this side. So we have to see how much the output voltage goes for. We have to do the analysis. So in the input having 0 to pi case, a positive voltage is there, and pi to 2 pi having the voltage of negative. So we have to split the signal for 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. The first we will go for analysis for 0 to pi case. In this case the input Vi is positive. So the voltage reference goes for here positive and here it goes for negative. So it has been positive and negative in this case. The diode, here the positive will be there, here negative will be there. So what happens on this of the condition, the diode is in the forward case. Whenever the diode is in the forward bias, it goes for diode act like as a short circuit depending upon the ideal characteristics of diode. So once it has been shorted, the resistance is goes for 0 over in this case. So RF will be equals to 0. V equals to IR, we already knows that. So V equals to IR, but RF will be equals to 0. So what happens? V equals to 0. So output voltage in this case V0 is equals to 0. We are measuring between these two terminals, right? So the measurement of between these two terminals having the voltage will be equals to 0. So whenever the input of positive cycle is there, from 0 to pi, the output remains the voltage to 0. Next, go for the case for pi to 2 pi of the case. When you observe for pi to 2 pi, it is a negative cycle. So what happens to the polarities? We have to see. Negative is nothing but here we will have the negative voltage and here we are going to having the positive voltage. Diode of P type is connected for negative terminal and N type is connected for positive terminal. So diode in the reverse bias case. Whenever the diode is in the reverse bias case, it acts like as a open circuited. Whenever it has been here, the diode is going to be opened. So if it has been opened of the case, the output voltage we are measuring in between these two. So the output voltage is equivalent to the input voltage. So the V out will be equals to Vi. So how much the input I am applying? This is the amount of input we are applying. So it's the same output voltage we are going to able to get in the reverse direction of negative cycle of the input case. Next we will go for analysis for negative clipper. In this negative clipper, if you observe, just we have reversed the direction of PN junction diode. So it goes for clipping of negative cycle. So we will see how it goes for clipping of negative cycle with respect to the analysis. We have for the positive cycle, same as it is, we have to consider for 0 to pi case. For 0 to pi case, if you observe, the voltage is positive, nothing but positive, and here negative. We are getting here positive and here negative. So what happens to the diode? The diode enters into a reverse bias condition. Whenever the diode is entered into the reverse bias condition, it acts like as a opened one. It is opened right now. Once it has been opened, in this it has been opened, directly the output voltage goes for input voltage. So the V0 will be equals to Vi. So how much the amount of has been there, the input over in this case from 0 to of the pi, the same output is going to be produced. Next, for the analysis for pi to 2 pi case. In the pi to 2 pi case, negative, right? So negative, positive, negative, here positive. So what happens? Diode in the forward condition. Whenever the diode is going to be forward condition, it acts like as a short circuit. Whenever it has been acting like as a short circuit, so that the output voltage will not be there. In this case, has been shorted. R equals to 0. So what happens? V equals to IRF. RF is 0. So V0 voltage will be equals to 0. So V0 will be equals to 0. So the negative portion has been clipped off. So these are this is the since it is clipping for positive cycle, and we are connected the diode in parallel case, and has been using no reference voltage, it will be unbiased. So this circuit belongs to parallel unbiased positive clipper, and this circuit since it is clipping for the negative portion, this circuit comes under the category of parallel unbiased negative clippers. Next we will see with respect to the biased cases. Nothing but we have to consider a external reference voltage. In this case we are considering the VR is a external reference voltage I am taking for biasing purpose of PN junction diode. So VR I am assuming it has 2 volts in this case, and same as usual here 0 to pi will be there, pi to 2 pi will be there. 0 to pi is positive, nothing but here you are going to get the positive voltage, and here it goes for negative voltage. The same with respect to the, but with respect to the reference it is connected for positive level. So in this case we have to go for analysis for which one is the dominating one and non-dominating one. So we have to go for comparison VR and Vi for the comparison purpose. If we go for comparison purpose between them, first I am assuming that input voltage goes for 1 volt. If the input is 1 volt and VR goes for 2 volts. So what happens in that case? VR is greater than Vi. VR is greater. This is the dominating one. So we have to observe only with respect to this what happens to the diode. If you observe this with respect to the diode is in the reverse bias condition. Whenever it is in the reverse bias condition, it acts like as a open circuit. This has been open circuit. Once it has been opened, nothing will be there in this connection. It has been opened of the case. So V out will be equals to Vi. So V out will be equals to Vi. So up to this of the reference voltage, whenever it has been less than 2 volts of the case, I am assuming the 2 less than the 2 volts of the case, it follows the input. Now assume the Vi goes for 2.2 or 2.3 and VR goes for now 2 volts only. So Vi is, in this case Vi is greater than VR of the case. With the total portion, this is the 2 volts, assume it. So in this case the Vi, this is all the portion. So in this case Vi is greater than VR of the case. What happens in this case? with respect to the input, we have to see what happens to the diode. So since it is in the 0 to pi cycle, nothing but positive only. So here you are going to having a positive and here you are going to be having a negative. So positive has been connected for positive and negative has been connected for negative. So what happens? The diode going to be enters into the forward bias condition. Whenever the diode is in the forward bias condition, it acts like as a short circuited. Whenever it has been short circuited, this is the thing. So it has been shorted. What happens in this case? Whenever it has been shorted, we are having the voltage only. Here no reference voltages has been there, but here the reference voltage of VR is there in parallel measurement of V out. So V out will be equals to VR. Since we are assuming it is a 2 volts, so it is going to be produce the 2 volts. So all the portion which is the greater than of the reference voltage, we are going to get the output going to be equals to 2 volts. Next, after that the input will goes for decreasing after this is the case. Now whenever the input decreasing is the case, this is the case occurs right now. Nothing but once again the reference voltage goes for dominating, like we have done the analysis up to this part. We have to do the analysis right now for this part. So if you do the analysis for this part, once again the case occurs like VR is greater than VI. Whenever the VR voltage is greater than VI voltage, the V0 will be equals to VI case. So the V0 will be follows the same VI. So we are going to get till now the VI it follows. Next we have to go analysis with respect to pi to 2 pi of the case. So pi to 2 pi of the case is goes for negative. So in this case the supply will be negative, and here goes for positive. With respect to the reference also we have to see in this with respect to VI it goes for positive in this potential. I am observing across the N, and with respect to the reference voltage VR is also positive. So here in this case both are going to be the same voltage levels are present with respect to the polarities with across N type of PN junction. So no need to go for comparison. So directly we can do the analysis. It is the diode is forward biased or in the reverse biased case. So the supply is negative here, negative terminal, and here goes for positive terminal. So P type of PN junction diode is connected for negative terminal of the signal, and N type of PN junction diode is connected for positive terminal of the signal. So we can, or as a positive polarity of the signal, we can directly say that the reverse case, so that it enters into the reverse bias condition. So in the 0 to pi case the diode is goes for in the reverse bias. In the reverse bias case it acts like as a open circuit. Whenever the diode has been open circuit, in this the V0 will be equals to Vi. So how much the input has been there, we are going to get the same output across from pi to 2 pi of the input voltage. We are going to get the same output with respect to the input. Since the case has been it goes for reverse bias case, you are going to get the same output with respect to the input. Next one, we have to go for analysis for negative clipper with respect to the biased condition. So reference voltage, diode, and same as usual, just if you observe, just we are reversing the diode and the reference voltage level. Just it goes for clipping of negative cycle. We will see and we will do the analysis now. Same as usual, we have to take the signal from 0 to pi, positive section. In this positive section, here it goes for positive and here it goes for negative. With respect to the diode of the case, negative, right? Here negative. So in this P type of PN junction diode, we are going to do with respect to the VI, I am getting negative. With respect to the VR, we are having negative, same or same. So no need to go for comparison. So in this case we are not going for any comparison. We have to see, observe that the diode is in the forward biased or not. That once we'll see, we will go for conclusion on that. So positive in this and negative thus. So N type of PN junction diode is connected for positive polarity of the signal, and P type of PN junction diode is connected for negative polarity of the signal. So what happens? The diode is enters into the reverse bias condition. Whenever the diode is going to be in the reverse bias condition, it acts like as a open circuit. The diode has been open circuit. What happens here? It has been opened. So how much this total goes for open? How much the output voltage goes for? How much the input is there? So V0 will be equals to Vi. So V0 equals to Vi with respect to the input has been there. So V0 equals to Vi from 0 to pi. Next we have to go for analysis for pi to 2 pi case. In that pi to 2 pi case, we have to go for observations. Pi to 2 pi negative, right? So negative, here positive. In this Vi will be positive and Vr is negative, opposite polarity. So we have to go for comparison. When we go for comparison, we have to observe Vr is greater or Vi is greater. So observe the case. First Vi, I am assuming it has 1 volt, and Vr, we are assuming it has 2 volts. So Vr is greater than Vi. Whenever the Vr is greater than nothing but with respect to the Vr, the diode has been in the reverse bias case. So it has been reverse, P type has been connected for negative. So it is in the reverse bias case. Whenever it has been reverse bias, it acts like as a open circuit. So it has been opened. The diode has been opened. V0 will be equals to Vi. So how much the V0 has been there? You are going to get the same of Vi amount. Next comes for the case Vi is greater than Vr. Like the case if Vi equals to 3 volts and Vr equals to 2 volts. In this case, if you observe the scenario, which one have to consider? Input have to consider. With respect to the input, what happens? The diode so negative of the case pi to 2 pi, here negative terminal and here positive terminal. So what happens with respect to the input is dominating right now for us. So here negative you are going to get, here positive we are going to get. So N type of PN junction diode is connected for negative terminal of the signal, and P type of the signal has been connected for positive terminal of the signal. So diode is in the forward region. Whenever the diode is in the forward region, it acts like as a short circuited. So the diode is in the short circuited. Once it has been shorted, so it has been shorted like this. Once it has been shorted, the V0 of output will be equals to the reference voltage of VR. So V0 will be equals to VR. So whatever the case of the upper voltage is there, it has been clipped off and it going to be there. From this input, if you observe, the case rises once again with respect to the case VR is greater than Vi. It has been opened. So once it has been opened, in this case it follows the input. So this portion only will be the clipped off and the remaining portion is going to be available across the output. So in the parallel biased clippers, unbiased clippers, we have to remember diode has to be connected in parallel with respect to the load resistor or with measurement of the output voltage. And in this case, the way you are connecting the diode, either it can clip the positive cycle or negative cycle. If I want to go for designing of bias, we have to use any reference voltages for clipping. Suppose I want to clip the signal 3 volts. After the 3 volts, so I have to take the reference voltage to be 3 volts. And one point in this case we have to remember, suppose some people or some students going to be apply such a way that Vi they are going to be consider 3 volts or else 5 volts only, but the reference they are going to keep it as 7 volts where the portion is going to be clipped off. It cannot act like as a clipper. So So we have to avoid those type of cases. That times we have to choose the reference voltage less than the input peak voltage only. Then only it can able to clip off the portion. Otherwise, it cannot able to clip the signals. So proper taking of reference voltages and the input voltages is also important in the clippers. Since it acts like is a wave shaping circuits, we have to choose the proper measurements of voltage in order to shape the waves. And another application already we have discussed, it reduces the over voltages. In this case, it has been reducing the over voltage of 2 volts greater than this, but diode has been used in parallel. That's it. Over voltage can be reduced. These are the major 2 applications of clippers. Thank you.